This is Knit for Days. My name's Kathy. Like and subscribe for more. Let's get right into a knitted wreath tutorial with the Addi knitting machine. You can also use the Centro. Starting off, I'm using my favorite yarn, Impeccable Yarn, and I have taupe and a dark cranberry color. You can use whatever color you want. I'm also using my power drill. This is the Addi king size knit machine. You can also use the Centro. If you're looking to purchase this, I have a link in the description. So you're going to cast on as normal, and you're going to now knit 220 rows. Once you've completed your 220 rows, you're going to take a darning needle, leave yourself a good length at the end of the project there, about 12 inches or so, and you're going to pick each loop individually so we can remove it from the machine. Let's move on to the bow portion. Now, if you're in a rush, you can totally buy regular ribbon and place that on there. You can actually dress these up. You can add lights to them. You can really get creative. We're going to use the Centro 22 needle. And I'm going to knit 100 rows. Now, if you want a bigger, longer ribbon, you can actually add as many rows as you want, up to like 120 or more. Figure out what length and size you're actually looking for. Here is the completed 220 rows portion of the actual wreath. So I just take it off. Now you see the white ring there. I just went to Michael's and purchased the styrofoam ring. I think it was about $5. And you want to carefully cut the ring with a knife. I actually broke that a little bit, but that's okay. You're not going to see it. I put the wreath on my arm, and then I just slip it on and work it around the circle mold. Now this is just a matter of playing around with it, cinching the ends, making sure everything is lined up and turned out correctly so it looks nice. Simply tie it right where you made that cut Now we want to make this look nice and neat. So take about a 12-inch piece of yarn and directly across from where you tied one end, you want to do a second. I find if you wrap it around twice, it holds it much better. And just make a simple knot and trim it. Now, depending on the look you're going for, you can add more or less to these. So you just want to work in opposite sections. I usually use about 8. Actually, that was a little too short there, so I picked up a longer piece. So I used about 8 here, and it just makes the wreath look nice and polished. Moving on to the ribbon portion. So what you want to do is take your ribbon knitted and stretch it out. And then this just is a matter of working it. I fold it in half and then I pinch each end and just put a simple piece of yarn through each side. And this kind of just makes a little, I don't know what you call it, cinching way of making your ribbon. So again, it's just a matter of playing with it, kind of getting it the way you want it, flip it over, and I just, again, knot it. I also love these projects because there's no glue, there's no sewing. The bottom of each ribbon there, I like to cinch the very end. I just think it makes it look polished and completed. Again, completely your choice. And then you just want to secure the ribbon to the actual wreath part. I just tied this on really quickly, but I would take a darning needle and actually sew it to the inside of the cranberry knit there. It just holds it on really well. And again, you can add your own ribbon, you can add lights, you can add decorations to it to really dress it up. But this simple wreath is easy to make. It looks great. It looks so pretty. And I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I hope you like it. Subscribe and come back for more tutorials. And have a great holiday season. Thanks for watching.